Let's make some money, shall we? Hey there, future affiliates. Are you ready to make some cold, hard cash? Or just enough to get some guacamole at Chipotle? Either way, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the GetResponse affiliate program. From signing up to the dashboard to utilizing all the resources we have just for you. And believe me, they're fancy. So grab your coffee, your energy drink, your water, no judgment, and let's get started. Step 1, signing up, because you gotta start somewhere. First things first, go to the GetResponse affiliate page. You'll see a shiny Join Now button, and you know what to do. So then you'll be taken to the PartnerStack application. To apply for the GetResponse affiliate program, simply fill out the application with your business details and specific plans on how you'll promote GetResponse. We're looking for strong affiliates that have a promotional strategy that they are able to showcase GetResponse to their audience. So if you don't have a website or social media presence, you might get rejected. But don't worry, we have tons of resources available for you on our YouTube channel to become an affiliate superstar. Oh, and don't get too stressed if you don't hear back from us immediately, because we do need up to 72 hours to get back to you. Step 2, dashboard, your affiliate control room. So once you're approved, you'll be taken to the dashboard. Here you'll see clicks. Yes, people are actually clicking your links. Conversions, even better, people are signing up. Commissions, aka the reason you are here to earn that guacamole money. Everything updates in real time so you can track your progress and see how much money you're making. Step number 3, affiliate resources, your marketing toolkit. Want to promote GetResponse like a pro, like we do here? Well, step onto your dashboard into the resources section. Here you'll find banners, because visuals matter, email templates, so you don't have to write a novel, and of course ad copy, which is crafted to convert. The great thing about all of these resources is that they work on different platforms, from TikTok to Instagram to YouTube to blog posts to newsletters. We've got you covered. Step 4, tracking and reporting, aka the science of earning. If you love stats, you are going to love this. Your dashboard lets you track who clicked your links, how many signups you got, and what's making you money and what's not making you money. So you can use these insights to tweak your strategy. The things that are going meh, you just drop. And the things that are going well, you amplify. Step number 5, if you need help, don't panic.
Don't panic, printed in large, friendly letters on its cover.
Got questions? Don't stress out. We've got you covered, and here's how. You can check the GetResponse Help Center for FAQs, tips, and troubleshooting, or you can reach out to support via chat or email. Step 6, who handles what? GetResponse versus PartnerStack. Let's clear up any confusion before it happens. When it comes to general affiliate questions, we've got you. When it comes to anything technical like payouts, the dashboard settings, then PartnerStack's got you. If you don't know where to go, don't worry, come to us and we'll point you in the right direction. And that's it, folks. Now you can become a GetResponse affiliate. Now, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to comment below. And if you do need any resources, also comment below. We'll help you find them as much as we possibly can. All right, we're done here. Best of luck to you.